Youngblood Erin Ness makes it back-to-back hands. She rakes in a pot worth $107,000. Erin's a fast-rising star in the poker universe. Let's hear the incredible story on how it all began from Erin in a segment sponsored by Crestor. Visit Crestor.com and ask your doctor if Crestor is right for you.
I'd only been working at Maxim for 2.5 months, 3 months. The email title is, how would you like Felix Dennis Publishing, to give you $10,000 to play in the World Series of Poker? And I just remember being frozen and just sort of in shock. Like, this has to be me. Like, there's no way anybody else can do this but me. Like, this has to happen.
After beating her mostly male co-workers in a Maxim tournament, Erin was off to the World Series of Poker where she finished in the money.
And then you go there and you're like, you just feel the energy of being in Binion's, being in this, you know, wearing your tag that it says that you're allowed to be there. And then just that feeling of, oh my God, you know, where am I? This is awesome.
Erin did so well, she beat out over 2,000 other players, finishing high in the money.
Erin Ness has a bright future ahead of her. She's got guts, and that's what it takes to win at No Limit Texas Hold'em. I'm sure we'll see her face at many future World Series of
victory. I mean, what was the pivotal moment for you?
It was definitely when I went all in with that King 10 and flopped 2 pair and then made the full house on the river. It just, I mean, I really thought I was out, but it just goes to show you that, you know, you never know, and you have to get lucky. As well as you play a hand, you have to get lucky.
You were in there for quite a while, and you were the threat at the table.
Well, I actually don't think so. I have tremendous respect for the company I played in. There was some amazing players there, and I'm happy I won. But I mean, I really did not think I had that locked up at all. So I'm happy to be here.
Anything different going into the final match for you?
I'm just gonna keep my game. I'm just gonna play my game. It seems to be working. You know, sometimes it doesn't, but when it does, it does. So just stay with a good thing.
We were a witness to that. All right, congratulations.